Okay, 55 is a 2000 Dodge Dakota. Got your extra cab right there, guys. Started up on its own. Runs back smooth. Decent rubber. That's a blessing right there, man. I was getting truck tires at $1,453, and that's at Sam's Club. You don't have to buy tires that help you. Got a little rust on it. Got a sliding window on it. Come on out there, Austin. I'll get in there and take a look. Okay. There's your radio, back seat. Got your Dakota SLT, 238,000 miles, V6 Magnum. Want to take a look at it in person? I suggest it. 913-371-1000. Make an appointment.